Hi.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make easy hairstyle.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to show you how to make very easy braid for her. So you divide the hair into two, the center part, and you cut it again. You just depart it again. I'm using a gel to just smooth it out so it's easy for me to braid. And I want to braid it very big braid, just fast and easy. You don't need to be perfect, but okay. So you just detangle the hair very well. I make this oil I'm adding to it, so you can see all the channel how I make the oil, and it's very good for hair. You make the hair very soft and long. So you just braid it out, just braid it. And I'm doing the second part now. The first part I make 3 braid, and you don't need to take it so hard. It's a children hair, so you can just take it very gently so they won't feel pain in their scalp. So you see the way I'm picking it, I don't really make it so hard. I just part it into 3 and just braid it little. The first one is 3 and the second one is 4 braid. So I'm going to the front part and I divide it also into 2. I love this oil I'm using. It's so good for their hair. I think you should go to my channel and see how I make it, and I think you will thank me later. Please like, subscribe to our channel. It's a new channel. Please subscribe and like it and share with your friends. So this is how I braid it. I make it very slow for you to see how it is. So just braid it like this. Let's just twist it in and out. I make 4 parts here, and the other side too. I make the same 4 parts in the other side. It's so beautiful, so fast to make for kids, and beautiful. And she love it. See the smile. Please like and subscribe. Bye.